In this question, we have internal and external radii of the metal cell is 8 cm and 9 cm respectively. Okay. The density of the metal is 4.5 gram per cubic cm. We have to find the mass of the cell. Okay. So at first, we shall find the difference of the volume of a sphere with bigger radius and a smaller radius. So here we shall write here solution. We have outer radius R equal 9 cm. Okay. Inner radius
8 cm.
Radius is equal to 8 cm. So difference of the volume of spheres with both radius. So difference of the volume of spheres with outer and inner radii is equal to what will be 4 by 3 pi 9 cube, because outer radius is 9 cubic cm minus
Internal
4 by 3 pi 8 cube. This will be 4 by 3 22 by 7 9 cube.
Yes, 9 into
9 into 9 into 9. This will be how much? 729 minus
4 by 3
8 into 8 into 8
572
572 512 okay cubic cm. Understand?
Yes.
The difference will be 4 by 3 22 by 7 multiply 9 minus 2 7 or 2 minus 1 1 7 minus 5 2. Okay.
Yes.
This is the difference of the volume of spheres with inner and outer and inner radius. Understand?
Yes.
Now the density cubic cm. Here density of metal. Here density of metal equal 4.5 gram nahi per centimeter cube. Understand?
Yes.
4.5 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore mass of spherical cell will be equal to the product of 4 by 3 multiplied 22 by 7 multiplied 2 17 multiply 4.5 gram. Okay.
Yes.
We shall cut 217 by 7. The 7 3 ja 21 7 1 ja. Okay. this will be equal to 4 by 3. Understand?
Yes.
Multiply 22, multiply 31, multiply 4.5. We shall also cut 4.5 with 3. 3 1 are 3, 1.5 times. Understand?
Yes.
So 22 4 ja 88, multiply 31, multiply 1.5. Understand?
Yes.
So this will be the product of this and this, and this is equal to 40920. 40920. We shall place decimal. Okay?
Okay.
Gram. So we shall convert it into kg by dividing
1000.
this by 1000. Okay?
Okay.
So this will be equal to 409 2 divided by
100.
1000 kg. The answer will be how much? We shall place decimal before 1, 2, 3. 4.092 kg. This is the answer of this question. Okay?
Okay.
Thanks. Then understand?
Yes.
Any problem?
No.